Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed your LinkedIn recommendations into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder WordPress. First, we're going to the official page of SociableKIT, and from here, if you haven't created your account yet, just click this create widget button and you can sign up, or if you have already created your account, just click this login button. And from here, we're gonna have to click this create widget button, and if you click this, it will always redirect you to the creation of widget page. And from here, we're gonna have to select our widget type, and that widget type is LinkedIn recommendations. Here it is, and it says here that we have to link our LinkedIn recommendations or the profile username of our LinkedIn. So going to our LinkedIn, we are going to use this LinkedIn recommendations from Alan Wallace. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it here, and if you paste it here, we can always, or it will always convert it into the link in the LinkedIn username of your profile, and we're going to click next. Now this is our LinkedIn recommendations. As you can see, everything that is in here is also in our recommendations in our LinkedIn. Now, into the left side of your screen is the customization tab, which includes all kinds of tabs, which has its own features, and I'm going to highlight some of them. First, we're going to the themes tab. In here, this has the drop-down list of every default theme that is in SociableKIT. So, for example, if I click this Maagap theme or Maayos theme, this color combination, as you can see, the black, white, brown, and gray, if I click yes, should be embedded into our LinkedIn recommendations feed. And here it is. As you can see, it is now in Maayos theme. Now, moving on into the post tab. In here, you can change the layout of your feed. For example, I can change it into read or grid, masonry, carousel, and list. So we're going to change it into grid. And we can change the post height, the post count, which I can change into 10. The column count I can change into 2. The content padding, and so on. And I'm going to save changes. So this should change from masonry layout into grid layout. And here it is. As you can see, it is now in the grid layout. It is now nice and organized as it should be. And now moving on into the colors tab. In here, if you didn't find the themes or the perfect theme that fits your website or your business, you can always manually change it in here. So you can change the feed background color, you can change the feed font color, the link color, and so on. Now into the fonts tab. In here, you can change your font family. So for example, I am currently using Century Gothic, so I can change it into Allegria Sans. And if I click save changes, this should change from Century Gothic into Allegria Sans font family. And here it is. As you can see, it is now changed. Now, lastly, in the CSS tab, if you have any custom CSS that you want to add or custom design that you have already in mind, you can put it in here. Now, if you click this embed on website button, if we are now finished to customizing our feed, we can click this and we're going to add our feed into our website builder, which is going to be WordPress. Now, it will prompt up this step-by-step instruction on how to embed this into our WordPress. Now, we're going to follow this by clicking the copy code and going to our WordPress website. So you can put your feed in an existing page or in a new page, which we are going to do. We're going to put it in a new page. Now, we're going to add a title first. So for example, LinkedIn recommendations, and we're going to add a block, and that block is custom HTML. Now, all we have to do now is paste the JavaScript code, and all you have to do now is publish it, and that is basically it. Or you can preview it first so you can see which minor details you want to change in the SociableKIT customization page. And if you are done, we can now publish this and we can view the whole page of what it looks like in an actual website of WordPress. And as you can see, everything that we change, from the layout, from masonry to grid, from the column count into 2, and only 10 posts, and the font family, and the theme color, and so on, everything we change is now embedded into our WordPress website. And that is basically it. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this, leave a comment down below if you have any comments, suggestion, feedback, and like and subscribe, and ring that notification down below so you are updated into our every new video tutorials for our different kinds of widget type. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.